Everyone, and welcome back to week 2 of the Christmas cleaning edition. We are still decluttering around the house, so specific areas where we know we're going to be having quite a lot of traffic. So joining me today is I declutter my makeup, some pajamas and some cleaning products, because I know for a fact I will be either getting some new stuff over the Christmas period. So join me today. I think I like to basically maybe call this the make space for new things and let go of the old things, because I know for a fact there's going to be some makeup that is probably run out, and some makeup that has gone past its expiry date. So I know for a fact I might be getting some makeup as well during the Christmas period, or someone's going to gift me some. So I like to make sure that I've got enough space for new things. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys are also decluttering your makeup and your makeup products, your hair products.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in the air, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch on a cold winter day. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is if Santa read his letters, he will know that my wish ever since I remember has been the mistletoe kiss. I'll keep on writing letters, I'll keep on dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is
So I'm just making sure I've got enough things inside my cabinet. So for example, enough shower gels, because I'm going to have guests around the house, and if I need to go out to the shops to get some more things, I know exactly how many things I have and how many things I need to purchase. So this is the perfect time to create my Christmas shopping list, and I'm just ticking off especially
Now
the
this
medication.
It's a mess.
So this is my first aid area, so any form of medication, flu, cold medicine, it's all in here, including plasters as well. So I like to make sure that I've got more than enough, and I had a spillage of some Q-tips over here, so I'm just going to sort that out. I need to find a better alternative storage for those. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying the content. Let me know in the comment section below if you are getting ready for Christmas along with me. What tasks have you already tackled and what have you got left to do? Everything has been organized and ready. Now I'm going to tackle the one part of the corner of the house that I know for a fact needs attention. So I need to organize this place because this is where I'm going to be hiding the Christmas presents and any extra food or drinks that I'm going to be having in the house. I'm going to store it in here, and my cleaning products as well. I'm going to store them. They just need a little bit more organizing, if I'm honest. So I'm just going to sort that out first.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is if Santa read his letters, he will know that my wish ever since I remember has been the mistletoe kiss. I'll keep on writing letters, I'll keep on dreaming away, and you waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling. You, yeah, you. The only thing I'm missing is
Shopping bags. Yeah, that's it for me, guys. Everything's better, organized. Oh, that one's where I keep all my drinks and stuff. So that's it. But yeah, everything's finally organized properly, and I'm quite happy with that. I've got enough space to store all my presents and stuff. So look forward to the next video. It's going to be week 3. We're going to get into the hard stuff, so join me then.